Hi everyone, and welcome to Signing with CC. We will be doing verse 2 for Someday at Christmas by Stevie Wonder. The lyrics for the song is in the description, as well as a link to the audio of the song. So we'll start with the first line in verse 2. Someday at Christmas we'll see a land. So if you watched our previous video, you would see what Someday at Christmas would be signed as. So let's go again. So place the palm of your hand, your left palm on the back of your right hand, rub it. Someday, the letter D, bring it down. Day at Christmas, see land. Hold something like you're holding something, put it at your chest, and then you're going to release it and open your hands at the same time. So land. So someday at Christmas, see land. The next line, with no hungry children, no empty hand. So no hungry. Let us see with your hand and bring it down your chest. Hungry children. Patting the heads of more than one child. Children. No empty hand. No empty. Palm, left hand palm facing down. You're going to use the middle finger of your right hand and rub it against the top of your hand. Empty. And hand, you same thing, similar to someday, except you rub the entire hand, starting from your elbow up to your right hand. The next line, one happy morning. So let's do it again. No hungry children, no empty hand. The next line, one happy morning people will share. So happy, use your right hand, palm facing in. It's like you're not touching your chest, but you're making a joyful motion. So happy morning, it's the motion of the sun coming up. So you're going to place your left hand right here of your hand, and the right hand is going to come palm facing you. So morning. People, make the letter P with the thumbs touching the bottom of the left hand like this, facing forward. Make a circles going inward. People. Share, open, palm facing forward with the left hand, thumb up. Put the right hand right there where the thumb is, and you're going to bring it around. Make a circle. Share. Let's do that line again. Happy morning people will share. Or world where people care. So that's the world, the word world, the letter W. Make a circle. World. One circle. Right hand always ends on top. World. People, we just did that a while ago. People. Care. Still keep the same P's. It's also okay. This letter, the formation is also okay. Put the right hand on top of the left and make a circle going forward. Care. So let's do that again. A world where people care. The next part in the verse. Someday at Christmas there'll be no tears. Some day at Christmas there no tears. Use your index finger, point them at your eyes, make the motion of tears running down your face. Tears. This is more than one. When it's just tear, use one hand. When it's both, there will be no tears. So someday Christmas, there no tears. All men are equal and no man has fears. So men equal. Use both hands, put them together and make a circle. Equal. Man again. No man fears. Right hand on top, left hand on bottom. Open the palms and make this motion like a stopping motion. Fear. One shining moment, one prayer away. So all men are equal, no man has fears. Again, men equal, no man fears. So the next line, one shining moment, one prayer away. Shining, it's like a bright light being shone in your face. Shining, shining. Moment, left palm facing forward, index finger pointing up, put it facing the palm and flick it away. Moment, and it's a fast motion. Moment. One prayer away, meaning to move something away from you. Let's do that again. Shining moment, one prayer away from our world today. So make a hook with both fingers, left hand in front, right hand in the back. You're going to pull it away like this, but with the motion starts here. It's in front, pull it away, pull it towards you rather, pull it towards you. From world today. So this motion, the sign for today, you're going to make the letter Y, place them in front, bring it down. This is the sign for now. So now, day, today, today. So let's do that line again. From world today. And that was verse 2 for Someday at Christmas by Stevie Wonder. Today we are going to finish off with verse 3 in Someday at Christmas by Stevie Wonder. The lyrics to the song are in the description, as well as a link to the audio to the song so that you can practice along. And remember, if you don't get it the first time around, just keep practicing. And same way the way that I present this information to you, whereas as I do one line, we practice it over and over. In my experience, that's how I practice my signing to the song. So you don't move on until you actually get the flow of the song. So don't beat yourself up if you don't get it. Trust me, even though I'm teaching it to you, I'm still not fluent with it. So let's just start. So the first line for verse 3 is someday at Christmas man will not fail. So we should all know someday at Christmas. Someday at Christmas. Man not Put the thumb under your chin, pull it away. Not, fail. So palm facing up, make a peace sign with your right hand and scoop it in. Is it scoop it in or scooping it out? Actually, it's scoop it out. So pull it away, fail, fail. Someday Christmas man, not fail. Oops, fail. Someday Christmas man, not fail. Next line, hate will be gone and love will prevail. So hate, I'm not sure how to describe this, but you're going to hold on your index, not your index, your middle fingers with your thumb. Point it down and you're going to flick it off. Hate, hate, hate. B, the letter B, put at your chin, pull it away. B, gone. It's like you're pulling something out of your mind. Gone, gone. Gone. Love. This is love. Love will. Put your palm beside your ear, pull it away. Will prevail. I had to substitute prevail for win. So the sign for win is it's like you're grabbing onto something quickly like a mosquito. Win. And hold it in tightly. So like success. Win. Hate, flick. Hate. Be, gone. Love will win, i.e. prevail. Someday a new world that we can start. So someday, new, palm facing up, left hand palm facing up, right hand, you're going to scoop. New world can, letter C, point it down, can start. Left hand facing in that direction. You're going to use your index finger, put it between your index and your middle finger, and you're going to turn it. It's like turning a key in a car. Start. Someday new world can start with hope in every heart. So hope, we're going to use both hands by your right shoulder, right hand on top, left hand on the bottom. Bend the fingers twice. Hope. The thumb of your left hand up. You're going to use your right hand and you're going to rub it twice. Rub the back of it twice. Heart. Index fingers above your chest. Make a heart. So hope, every heart. And after this it would be the chorus. If you want to know the chorus or refresh your memory with the chorus, please watch the first video of Someday at Christmas verse 1. So thank you very much for watching this. Hope to see you soon, and happy signing.